Today's lesson is lesson 3 of the 3G welding certification series. Today I'm going to talk to you about tacking your piece together, laying it out, and putting your test certification piece in the positioning fixture. We're going to start out using a 60-10 rod. All you need is one 1/8 inch. Use your WPS to set your welding parameters. I'm running 90 amps. Tack weld right here and tack weld right there. One on each end, just a small tack. All you're trying to do is hold these 3 pieces together. Now we've made 2 tacks. I'm going to take the coupon out of the fixture. You can see where we've just put 1 tack on each end, and it's holding it together. Now we're going to put some tacks on the back. We're going to put 6 tacks, 2 on each end and 2 in the center. All 6 of these tacks will be about a 1/2 inch long. We use our tape measure. We'll find the center of our coupon, which is the coupon 7 inches long, so the center would be 3.5. Then we'll come down here and we'll make a 1/2 inch mark. Come down here and we'll make a 1/2 inch mark. So we're going to put 6 tacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All of them approximately a 1/2 inch long. Using the same 60-10 rod that you started with. We put our 6 tacks on the back using the 1/8 inch 60-10. 2 on each end, about 1/2 inch tacks. 2 in the center. Now we'll flip it over. Now I'm going to show you how to lay it out. Get your piece of soapstone. I'm going to show you that first of all you need to mark the center. 3.5 inches. I like marking the center real heavy so you can see it, because that's where I'm going to stop. I'm going to stop in the center and do another rod. Then over here on the edge, we're going to actually lay out for our 2 straps, just so to give you an idea. You find the center, which is 3.5, and you move up 1 inch, which is 4.5. Then you move up 1.5 inches, which is 6. Find the center again, you move down 1 inch, which is 2.5. You move down 1.5 inches, which is 1 inch. Do the same on the other side. 3.5, 4.5, 6. 3.5, 2.5, get us a straight edge. We'll make us a line all the way across the piece. This line doesn't have to be real heavy, just so that you can see it. I want to give you an idea of what pieces we're going to be using out of the whole coupon. Mark that so you can see it. So now you can see where I've laid out. I've got my heavy center mark. That's where I'm going to stop and start. These squiggly lines represent my two straps. One's going to be a root and one's going to be a face bend. Eventually. All the rest of this we're going to throw away. This first inch, this 2 inches in the center, and the inch on the top will all be discarded. The only thing we're going to keep is these two straps. So now I'm going to put it in the positioning fixture. When you put it in the fixture, you want to ensure that everything's tight so you don't get any arc flow. You also want to level your piece. Make sure it's straight up and down. The axis of the weld needs to be at 90 degrees. Make sure the side of it's level, and it is. So kind of in review, what we done is I showed you how to tack it, I showed you how to lay it out, and I showed you how to put it in the positioning fixture. Thank you very much.